Okay, I was so excited to film this video that I didn't actually film an intro. So this is my intro. What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and let's get into it. We're gonna go do some dumb slidey stuff in the car. Hopefully I don't get in trouble. The final amount of snow we got was just insane. Like, it was probably maybe 8 or 9 inches, and now it's like melted in one day, mostly. If any of the school administrators get mad while we're filming this, I'm just gonna say I'm filming for a school project. So you guys are now a school project. Nice. I'm gonna warm it up. I'm gonna put a camera here for y'all, and then I got this hoe hook mount I'm gonna stick over here, and that should look cool. Well, that didn't work. That lasted a grand total of about 20 seconds. So, where should I put this? Because this is where I wanted to put it. I don't have any way to clean that off without scratching my paint. I'm not going to scratch my paint for y'all. But this is a cool angle, so I don't know. Maybe that's better. It's a little bit higher out of the dirt. Let's get that angled right, so it's pointed more at this. It'll be sitting looking about that without the leveling. So, yeah, that should look cool. And I just gotta wait for the car to warm up. And then this camera, I don't know if y'all can see that, is basically seeing this right here, which is a pretty good view. Yeah, so now we just wait for my car to warm up, which might take a second because it's 1 degree outside right now, according to my car. Like, you can see, I'm talking and I'm breathing. Like, it's 3 o'clock in the day, and you can see the amount of, like, my breath you can see. Yeah, it's not warm today. Yeah, 1 degree in the car, very cold.
A few moments later.
All right, let's do this. The battery's about to die. Yes, it did get it. Good. That was almost bad. That was almost really bad. Oh, get this guy, get this guy. He's having some fun.
Yes, sir.
That was almost really bad. How close did I get to almost nailing this? Because I came in hot and I got, I mean, not that bad. There's where I went versus where I could have gone. So it could have been worse, but it wasn't good. Yeah, I forgot to like grip the handbrake as I was coming in on that. So I went straight for it, which is definitely not what you want to do when you're trying to avoid hitting something. Object fixation, learn about it, don't repeat it. Bad thing. I think we maybe have one more before we start drawing suspicion. What do you think? What should I do? You want me to do reverse donuts right here?
You could, yeah.
Let's do it. You know what? We're gonna do some reverse donuts right here because we're bringing it back from last year. Just right here, big open area. Let's do this thing. Oh, no, wait. Oh, no. Wow, that's stuck on there. That cut my finger. All right, oh well. Right here, let's do some reverse snow donuts. decided to show up.
How's it going?
Hi.
I had no idea you guys were out here until I got up by the dining hall walking up, and I heard some car making noise and pops.
Huh,
And
I wonder what could
turbo
be making
noises.
pops.
So I turned around and it's like, I wonder who that is.
Yeah, we're gonna do some dumb stuff right here.
Does that help?
A little bit. How's it
That
sound? Oh, that's a dick move. Oh, it's so cold. Want to see me do something stupid?
Hope wear a funny hat.
Cool, go stand over by the Jeep. Keep going, please. Thank you. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Check it, Caden! This is so hard to do one-handed. Get it around the pole, 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 get it around the pole. Made it. That was very lame. Stop!
What?
Stop!
What?
Stop! Hi. What, did the GoPro fall off?
No, but you did just hit this.
Ooh, crunchy. Oh well.
That didn't hardly break, and now my hands are cold. Hang on. Never mind, that's hard.
Yeah. Stay there.
I don't trust you.
Don't move. Stay there for your own safety. Can we catch traction, please? Thank you. But Caden doesn't believe that I can't get I can get sideways. So I'm gonna show him one big sideways, and then we're gonna call it good because I feel like we've definitely drawn attention. We're in second. Crank it. Yeah, that's definitely sideways. Oh, watch the tree or the pole. Oh, snow everywhere. Oh. Was that sideways enough for you?
I guess. Not as controlled as I would like. It's hard to do that with a front wheel drive car though.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'd rather
Not
not
gonna lie,
get...
your car does look kind of cool doing it.
Exactly. I want to lower my car, but things like this are why I shouldn't. Yeah, that's my car cleaning off the top of the snow because it's low enough. And also, things like this are why I shouldn't. But hey, it looked cool. Maybe. I haven't actually looked at the footage. It was fun. That's the important thing. We're having fun. We're having fun?
We are having fun.
Yeah, but on that note, I think I'm gonna call it good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that jazz, ring the little bell. There is snow inside my pocket and it is really cold. On that bombshell, bye.